Hi, humpback whale.
Oh yeah.
Gosh, you're a sweetie. Aren't you nice? Yeah.
Would you expect that, Rob?
What?
Would you expect that?
No, what a beautiful whale. Look at the size of his flipper.
There's more barnacles.
His fluke, yeah, the barnacles are normal. Hi, whale. You sure is sweet whale, eh? Do you think he wants you to rub his back with a broom or something? I'm sure that's illegal and we would never ever do it. Hi. You're such a nice humpback whale. You're no basket of kittens, but you're nice. He's big, eh? Hi. You're a sweetie. Oh, look at his baleen, eh? Like, well, not the baleen, but the pleats in the mouth. Hi, whale. Yeah, he's rubbing on the boat. Wow. Okay, you guys hit the whale jackpot. Hi, whale. You're a sweetie. Wow. I need a lot bigger lens to get them all in. You guys are looking at him over there too?
We just lost him.
Oh yeah, it's crazy, eh? He's right here. Hi. Hi, whale. How are you? No, he's just under there. He's coming up the other side. Hi, whale. What's the name of him? Wow. It's crazy. You guys are watching him over there? It's nuts, eh? We're watching him over here. Hi, whale. I wonder if I can get a selfie with a whale. Crazy, eh? Hi, whale. You're so sweet.